Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today I'm sharing a classic comforting Indian breakfast upma with a protein twist. Usually this dish is heavy on carbs, but in this version I'm going to add lots of veggies and protein-packed soy granules to make it more filling, wholesome and nutritious. It's quick, tasty, perfect for mornings with just a little bit extra goodness in every bite. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add 2 cups of water to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, add 1/4 cup of soy granules and let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it sit for a while to cool. Next, in a separate pan, add 1/2 cup of rava and roast it on low to medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Once it's roasted, turn off the heat and let it cool too. Now in another pan, heat it on low to medium, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 3 to 4 finely chopped green chillies, a few curry leaves and 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen peas and 1/2 cup of finely chopped carrots. Cook for a minute. Then add the drained soya granules. Give it a mix, cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies turn soft and tender. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cane sugar or any sweetener of your choice. Mix it well. Add in the roasted semolina. Stir everything together. Then pour in 2 cups of water. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the semolina turns soft and fluffy. The upma is almost ready. Add some chopped coriander, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, give it one final mix, and that's it. Enjoy this warm, comforting upma, a wholesome, delicious and protein-packed way to start your day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried protein-packed upma, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.